these pictures showing some cleaning efforts at Garrity's Supermarket. That's in Hanover Township, Luzerne County, where store management says a woman purposely coughed on fresh produce and other department items in the store. They call it some kind of twisted prank. The store's co-owner says they threw away $35,000 worth of food. Garrity's staff were overseen by the township health inspector as they cleaned the areas. Management says the district attorney is pursuing charges against that woman.